Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, close Valorant and Riot Vanguard, then sign out of the Riot client. Once done, make sure you're using an administrator account so settings will stick. Open File Explorer and navigate to the Valorant install folder, for example /Riot Games /Valorant /Live. You need to find the game executables Valorant, exe and Riot client services. exe because compatibility flags attach to those files. Don't run anything yet. We're about to edit properties directly. Next, right-click Valorant, exe and open properties, then the Compatibility tab. Uncheck Run this program in compatibility mode, select None. Also uncheck Run this program as an administrator if set. Valorant usually handles elevation via the client. Click Change Settings for all users and repeat. Uncheck both boxes, then Apply and OK. Do the exact same for Riot Client Services. exe and Riot Client Bootstrapper. exe in the same folder. Once done, make sure no compatibility box remains checked on any launcher or game exe. Finally, restart Windows to ensure changes take effect, then launch the Riot client and start Valorant. The game should run without compatibility mode. If you still see compatibility flags, open Registry Editor and check HKCU /software /Microsoft /Windows NT /current version /app compat flags /layers. Remove any entries referencing Valorant executables, then reboot. If that still fails, reinstall Riot Vanguard from the client. Vanguard reinstall clears persistent compatibility wrappers. One troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.